nice.
Is she single and interested?
Bust haircut.
Tell me a little about you.
Twitch chat is not single, sorry. She
But
sounds like Candyland. That's another streamer
Is that
from Norrland.
good?
Åh nej.
Is that positive?
It's good. She's hot. So
Mary Twitch chat. Vad menar du? Vad menar du?
marry them. This is Twitch chat. Det här är chatten. Och de säger
You
så
don't
här,
want to meet us? Now I want to. I'm
Precis.
interested.
Can you tell me a joke?
Yeah.
Wait, can you
På
say
svenska.
joke?
Joke. Joke.
Okay, she says it right.
Jag säger inte joke.
Joke.
Det är jättekonstigt. Joke.
Yeah, but most people say joke here.
Ja, nej, det är jättekonstigt. Joke.
I'm a person.
Jag trodde
You're
du stod pregnant.
They say you're beautiful.
Nej.
Oh, she's blushing. Now you make her blush.
Det ser ut som ett
Look.
barn.
Guys, you're in now. You're in.
Aj, aj. Now kiss.
What
See, you gotta
Den här.
kiss chat.
is going on?
Isn't this like the? No, you got it, chat. See, this is the hype of the day. You got a kiss from this beautiful Swede.
Do you prefer guys who are stronger than you? Yes. Yeah, of course. I'm not even strong, so it will not be hard to get one.
You like strong guys.
It will be hard.
Or do you care? You don't care that much about it, right? If they're like strong or like has muscles or something, right? You don't. Do you like
No.
bellies? You like have? You don't like
no, I
six-packs?
don't like six pack. That's the worst.
That's the worst.
But the thing is, I like personality.
You like personality. We like personality here.
And older guys. You
Older.
have to be quite. Yeah, old.
Quite old. How old?
At least 28. But I prefer 35.
35.
Yeah.
Do you know it's 35? Dan is 35.
Nej!
Dan. Yeah.
Vem är det? Jaha,
It's a friend.
Jaha.
Boomers. You like boomers.
Vad är det?
Do you know what you're a zoomer, and an old person is a boomer.
Yeah, I like boomers. I don't know. Hard Dan is not 35. Yeah, but that's
Maybe.
fine.
I think he's 35. Maybe he's
How
been lying
old
about
is
it.
your sister? Nu är det någon som tror
People
att
think
vi
we're
är
sisters. Yeah, we're not related. We're friends. She doesn't like six packs. No, she does not. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna hang out with my friends because this is like the last hour. I'm gonna be
Oh,
here.
can you email me or write to me on Facebook? Then we can talk more.
What's your name on Facebook?
Oh, that's hard. Linnea Lövgren med W with
You're
a
gonna get so
W.
many people. You're gonna. You have like we have like 200 people watching almost. Like 172 people.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
oh.
not 15. What?
No. She's
I'm 21. But I look like 15,
We love
and
you.
that's
Aw.
good in future to look young.
Nice. Okay.
She must be new to Twitch. One would talk some. Vad betyder det?
Docs like att du säger vad du heter på Facebook är så här, man brukar inte säga det för då brukar folk gå in och bara
Oh, I'm
but
kidding.
it's fine. It's not, I don't think
Oh, nej!
they're not gonna do it. They're not gonna do it.
Är det
So-
många som-
or-
det är inte
no,
många.
there's gonna be like some people but you can control.
Yeah, but I will
Nej,
answer you
men-
all
How old are
because
you?
I'm a nice person.
I'm also
Vad
21.
hände?
I'm a nice person. I will answer you all. Eller samma så. I
Follow
will
me on
answer
Instagram. She
all.
doesn't have Instagram. She doesn't have a phone, so she never uses it. But she has Instagram. So if you want to see pictures of her, streaming it sometimes when we see.
Nej,
Oh
men
yeah, of course.
1000
I'm probably gonna do it more.
Varför?
But I don't know. I just got a feeling. I was like, should I stream? Yeah, why not? I don't know. Not for a long time. It feels better if it's spontaneous.
Ni får börja äta. så
Hope you have a
fixar jag
great
någon.
night. Thank you so much. Follow me on IRL.
Goodbye. I would like to say adios nachos or bye bye apple
Bye,
pie.
kartoffel.
Kartoffel.
Get out of here. Out. Get away. That was sexy.
Oh.
Adios nachos. Åh,
Adios,
vad gulliga de är.
nachos.
Gud, jag gillar det här
We
jättemycket.
all love you guys. Oh, you should start streaming then if you like it.
Ja, det är
Would you do
jättekul.
it? Would you stream?
How?
Stream on
From
Twitch?
my computer?
Yeah, or you.
Okay.
Yeah, computer. Yeah.
Okay.
We will miss you. Okay, but I will
But
be back soon
then
probably.
I
Oops.
want these people to say hello to me on Twitch.
These people, yeah, they will. I would host you every single time. I promise. Whenever you're live, I will host you.
Du kommer bara, vad fan gör hon?
Your other friend is seems more interesting. Oh, someone says you're more interesting.